Hello, this is Attorney Patrick Silva with another answer to one of your frequently asked questions. Recently, somebody said, on a second DUI, I put an ignition interlock on my car. How long does it have to stay on there? The short answer is 9 months. Technically, on a second DUI, prior to the change in the law, you would not be able to get a license, and it would be a restricted license for 12 months. What the law change did is it said, okay, we're going to cut the 12 months down to a 90-day hard suspension on a second DUI. After that, we're going to fill the remainder, the other 9 months, with an ignition interlock. So again, 9 months on a second DUI. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. Have a great day.